Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be replacing rear axle lines on a 2012 Nissan Juke using LinesToGo part number BLN-110-SS. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2012 Nissan Juke, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 8mm and 10mm wrenches, 21mm socket and ratchet, cutting pliers, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Raise and support the vehicle and use a 21mm socket to remove both rear wheels. Use a 10mm wrench to remove the threaded fitting from the top of the right rear flex hose. If the fitting is seized to the line, you can cut the line using a pair of cutting pliers and then remove the fitting using a socket or wrench. Use a 10mm wrench to remove the rearmost threaded fitting at the center of the rear axle. Remove the right rear axle line from the plastic clips and remove the line from the vehicle. Use a 10mm wrench to remove the forward threaded fitting at the center of the rear axle. Remove the threaded fitting from the top of the left rear flex hose using a 10mm wrench. Remove the line from the plastic clips and remove the left rear axle line from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new LinesToGo stainless steel rear axle brake lines, start by installing the right rear axle line labeled 06 into position. Start one fitting into the bottom of the rearmost flex hose at the center of the rear axle. Start the other fitting into the top of the right rear flex hose. Secure the line into the plastic clips. Tighten both fittings using a 10mm wrench. Next, install the left rear LinesToGo axle line labeled 05 into position. Start one fitting into the bottom of the forward flex hose at the center of the rear axle. Start the other fitting into the top of the left rear flex hose. Secure the line into the plastic clips. Tighten both fittings using a 10mm wrench. Bleed both rear wheels using an 8mm wrench, making sure to keep the master cylinder reservoir topped up with fluid. Replace both rear wheels using a 21mm socket and torque to your manufacturer's recommended torque specification. Replace the negative battery terminal and secure it using a 10mm wrench. This concludes the installation of stainless steel rear axle brake lines on a 2012 Nissan Juke using LinesToGo part number BLN-110-SS. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.